Hey everyone, because we download so much of our content nowadays, it's whether it be music or videos or documents, it's good to know how to add media and download files onto your website. And it's very simple, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so first you're going to need a text editor to obviously edit your programming, and you can use just a simple notepad which comes with like any Windows platform, I believe. But what I'm using right now is Notepad++. You could also use Smultron, I know, which is for OS 10. There's just so many text editors. If you just search text editors, you're probably gonna get like hundreds and hundreds of results. But alright, so here we have some simple code. This has no layout to it, obviously. This is like extremely simplistic. So we have our HTML tag, our head tag, our title and our title tag and our body tag. Now, obviously, if you don't know what any of this means, I highly recommend going and learning how to do HTML. Otherwise, you're going to be really lost in this video, and it's just going to make absolutely no sense to you whatsoever. Alright, so I don't know why I'm in my head tag right there. I'm going to go body tag. Alright, so then we got to add our... Well, okay, so first what you're going to need is your file format. Your file, what you want to add to your website. Now make sure that is in the same location as your website page. Now obviously you can if you can type in the exact location of it if you don't want it, but you know that's just really not efficient if you just took all your files and then crammed them into one folder. So all my files are going to be located on my desktop. Now we're going to use the link tag. Now if you used HTML before, you obviously have used the link tag before. It links web pages together, and you may link it to another website, and it's used so much in just navigating through websites. So we're gonna create a link tag, and basically the only difference between this and linking to like another website page is it's a media file. So we're gonna do href, then we're gonna do pdf.pdf, which is our file format. I'm just going to do download, and then we're going to close that tag. I'm just going to save it. Alright, and what I did is I just created a PDF of basically explaining what this is, what we're doing right now. And I'm probably going to add this to my YouTube channel's website so as a download, so people can download it, just as an example of what you can do with this. And right now I'm going to open up our website file, our index.html, and you can see there's a download link right there. But the only problem with this method that we just used is that you have to right click it and then say save as. And because of that, it's just you have to and to ensure that people have no problems, you have to explain why or how to do it and stuff. And yeah, it's not hard to do, but it's just so much more easier if you can just left click it without having to right click and then say, okay, so what do I do after I right click and all that kind of stuff. Because you can see if I just left click, it just opens it up in the browser. So what you have to do to your file is make it so that it is not a file that can be opened up in your browser. So what we're going to do is right click our PDF file, send to a compressed zip folder, because basically our compressed zip folder cannot be opened up in our browser. And then obviously if you don't have that function of sending to a zip file, there's obviously there's programs out there that you can look up that compress files into zip folders. Okay, so then we're going to go back to our coding, and the only thing that we have to change is our extension. So instead of pdf.pdf, it's pdf.zip. We're going to Control S. I'm just going to exit out of this, just so that I don't have any problems. Now I'm going to reopen it, and then we have our download link. Now, then when I left click on it, automatically downloads. So that's what's really nice about this. Well, there you go. Now, hopefully, by watching this video, you can successfully add download links to your website, and people can enjoy your content offline and offline. So, well, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope your websites work out for you and you have no problems or no hiccups when you're programming your website, because that can always be a real pain. And just again, thanks for watching.